second row. Okay, I have road now.
Ako late first. Sige na per chola pas. Jacket. Okay, I will call the jacket, okay? I will call. Jacket you is switch. Jacket and is lazy, okay? Grab your east.
Ayan. Wait, so first. City pa eh, city pa. Sige, ako na lang. Second rope na lang ako, second rope. Sige, first rope.
Drop your east now.
15 seconds, second rope.
Okay. No need for rope. Drop rope. Okay, jacket mo. Full jacket. Butch. Full jacket, butch. Okay. Okay, mount up. Hallelujah.
Dropping rope.
Waiting for the... Okay. Drop your east.
Second rope drop.
I have the aggro.
Nice.
Dapat hindi ko makuha. Pero nag-garland keep ako para double aggro sa stretch jet. Sama ko lahat to. Big pull. Heal please. Heal me please.
Gago. Ayun na naman ako eh.
Ito kaya dato. Roll jacket on me please. Roll jacket. Roll jacket.
Ay, okay.
Okay. Coach, if you have roll jacket please. Okay, thank you.
Ayun na naman yung ano ko. Nag-o-auto kay
Where's my heal? The tank is dying.
Sorry bro. Sorry.
Healer sa bobo. Ay, tangina mo, try harder, okay? Tangina mo, try harder.
Okay.
So, if you guys, if I die, si tangina mo to the healer, okay?
Okay.
Like yan, which? Say, tangina mo to the healer if I die, okay? It means try harder.
Bagay.
Fuck you means, healer is bad, okay?
Fuck you means I love you.
Yeah.
Bro, di mag-English bro. What do you mean? Fuck you mean.
Tangina mo. Try harder, okay? Try harder.
Okay.
We need to clear the south side. We need to clear the south side first.
Gold chest.
Oh, never mind. Just wait, hold on. Nobody touches it. Okay, no loot first, no loot. I will take the screenshot. Open, but don't loot, okay? Open, but don't loot. Open, don't loot, boys. Don't loot, don't fucking
Oh
loot. Don't
shit, I got 2 mil.
Okay, loot now. It's okay. GG's boys, good shit.
11 minutes.
We still have gold chest, okay? But try to take everything.
Leave to your force so you have space.
Oh, it's okay, just rush it if you have, I don't know.
Oh, I got a tier 8,
Let's go.
tier 8 forged hammer. Oh,
Good
fucking
shit, boys, okay? Good shit. I like it.
6.4
Tapak.
stuff.
Cheater.
6.4
Let's go gold
map.
chest. Let's go gold chest.
Gotta push the runes.
Oh
I think.
my god, that was good.
Oh shit, nasarap.
Are you guys wanna are back here? Then just...
Let's go in.
You guys greedy, huh? You guys very, very greedy. Yeah.
Getting greedy.
Greedy motherfucker. That's good content for Uch. Holy fuck. Damn.
That's good content.
Yeah.
Promote our server, Uch, okay? Promote it so we have more people to play with.
Okay.
Let's go.
Every people you I give one silver. Every
Let's
people
go.
you join, I give 1 silver.
Okay.
Which gonna be rich? Easy. Paldo. First try, paldo agad. Bobo lang tang kasi namatay eh.
I received no heals for like 3 pulls. I pull 3 times, no heals. Okay.
Bro,
I shut the back up.
just don't get too close to the tank because I'm having hard time doing it.
No fuck you, no reasons. Ang ina mo, try harder.
Bullshit. Real talk yun, ay.
Okay, we can clear this. Okay, we can clear this. Okay, ready? Is my DPS ready?
Wait lang. Ready.
Jacket now. Robe, I mean robe, no. Don't jacket. Robe.
Sir.
Dito.
Sige.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, release. Good choice. Oh, we don't have to. I this one.
Okay. Touch mo na. Where's my heal?
Bro, I'm healing the team.
Royal jacket.
It's all nadrop na.
I'm dead. Okay, don't you need it.
I'm healing the team. What the hell?
Okay, I'm gonna go save up the healer. I think that's because of healer. Reset.
Oh my god, di natin kaya bro. Para pa lang siguro. Oo, hindi natin kaya. Let's
Kaya.
focus na tayo. Kaya niya ba?
Arpak na ba tayo? Ayaw niya? Kaya to.
Try. Let's see.
Aim on one mob. On the spear guy.
Again guys, focus muna sa isang ano. We just take more talk. Are we sure we need talk? I think we need healer. Let's go boys. One more. Pag di kayo kaya. Ay, no. Magro yan.
Reset.
Hindi daw yan maaano, Sandra. Oo, di yan. Try mo na. Focus muna sa streaman. Ay, dun sa mga nasa likuran kasi malambot yun eh.
Archer nga inuuna nyo, Archer eh.
Oo, Archer, kasi malalambot yun eh. Clink.
If we die, reset okay. If we die, we live. We are back. 10 seconds on boots.
Let's go.
Uy, W point, what the fuck? Tracers yan. Good shit.
Saling yung niche.
Archer first base.
I'm dropping my room. Dropping your down. Kill top. I want to do okay?
See, healer problem bro. It's the healer. See?
Bro, I was healing the full team.
Okay, Uch, so bind the 2 archers, okay? Bind the monk and the archer, okay?
Okay. And the
Monk
monk.
and the archer, bind them, okay?
Okay.
Yes, the monk. 1 monk and 1 archer.
Okay.
Bind 1 monk, then 1 archer. Okay. Ready?
Dropping rope, wait. Dropping rope.
dying. Where's my heal? Where's my heal? Where's my heal? I received no heals, okay.
Iniwasan ko yung ulti ko, no? Iniwasan ko yung ulti ko, eh.
Okay, it's okay. Just skip it. Just skip it. It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, I get it.
Grabbing my rope. I need to andyan.
Oh, shock. Tagal naman nun.
So basically, Daisy, you wanna drop your EF. You wanna drop your EF to the mid-post cooldown. And then for Uch, after you bind them, go assassin cold, okay? So you have more cooldown.
Ang tagal mo clear ako.
Kata-spec, gago ko. Kata-spec, man.
Oh, can you please drop the druid? Please, druid, please.
Throw it cowl, please.
I think, kailangan ba natin i-clear lahat ba?
No, hindi naman lahat. Hold on, wait. Wait a minute, kaping mainit.
I don't have mana. Can you... Okay.
Okay, only fuck that.
Bench boys.
Nice reason. Nice answer. I'm trolling.
Grabbing my rope.
Bench boy. Kaya naman natin ah.
If this was a construct and our healer is Taiji, I'm dead, bro. Trust me.
Oh, bro.
100k on Reaper. 100k on Reaper. Holy fuck.
Shut up, bro.
One top first.
Even Chinese time, bro. Huwag muna natin i-clear. I-clear na ba natin to?
Hindi mo natin yan. Clear natin yan. Baka may mag-dive sa atin.
Sige.
Drop your east. Bind the boss to me, boy. Bind the boss to me, coach. Okay, druid call on DPS, please. Druid call DPS, please. Please, druid call on DPS. Come to my... Diba?
Grabbing my rope.
Heal. Where's my heal?
I'm sorry, bro. I didn't notice you. Bigla ka na lang naubusan ng HP eh.
Bench boys.
Nice.
Come to that blue thing. Mana, druid call. Where's my druid call, please? Druid call. Okay. We need one more druid call, okay? After this.
Okay, let's go. Dito.
Let's go, full. Palit lang ako ng ano. Okay, paano nga pagro yung Priestless. Pagro.
Wait lang.
Okay, let's go. Ang ina lumayo gago.
Hindi ko yun eh.
Be careful, Uch. Be careful.
Okay, sige na. Just putang ina, patayin natin.
Grabbing my
I need druid call, okay? Druid call. Okay, W. After this, jacket, lazy. Jacket.
Oh, is that it?
Yes. Come to me. Come watch. Okay. I'm gonna pull, okay? Wait for my pull.
Mage guys.
Bind the monk and the mage, okay? Bind the monk and the mage.
Damage.
Please dance, boys. Dance for me. Heal me. Holy fuck.
You have full HP.
Fine. Okay.
Come here, Ragnar. Ragnar, come here.
Okay, where's my hit? I'm dead.
Kill natin to, isang bitch.
Isa.
Reset.
Kalpat.
Hindi ko wala ta. Kala ko namatay ang tank. Sana din lang pala natin na-reset yan.
Wala.
Kala ko namatay ang tank man.
Ako, mamatay, never.
Malakas ka heal mo.
Healer problem lang pag namatay ako, healer problem. Tangina mo, okay? Try harder.
Come here.
Trapis?
Malayo ah. Malayo. Tingnan mo, iniiwan ko yun.
Bobo ka pala, nandun yung lahat ng damage eh. Pupunta ako doon, eh di namatay ako. Bobo ka lang yung puta.
Sorry.
Pinapalakas ako ang puta. Sorry. Tinatrapis niya.
Sorry na.
Tangina mo. Try harder. Tangina mo, try harder.
Gago. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Sarap
Ready to clear this, right? Let's go.
Kasama mo ba yan?
Spear, man. Spear.
Action sa taas. Hold on, not yet. Okay, the first time.
Maraming may rope. Guys.
Try to dance, okay? Try to touch base.
Up here.
Crazy. Oh, good pull.
Go east.
Andun nyo yung mage. Pakatsin.
Yes, go.
Sakto lang.
Nag-ping kasi si May.
Let's go.
So, practice ng tank. Hindi na kasama dyan. Dito na tayo sa likod ng chest.
Ganda pa.
Oo, dito tayo sa likod ng chest.
Think me.
Ito. Dalawang experiment. Pull mo dito. Nice.
Ay, Gagi, may roaming mage dito. Wait lang.
Wait lang. Roaming mage pala. Roaming mage first.
Ito na, sige, ito na. Ito na mamatay eh.
Tikitin nyo.
Okay. George, be careful.
Ano yun?
Ay, sige, dago.
Anong makalahan? Pinalayo mo paano ko makapyo?
Naano ako. Napatan ko. Hindi gago, pansin nito ako.
Ang kinatalaga. Sige, isa.
Mage.
Mage muna guys.
Mage muna.
Yes, oh. Tangina. So, ang sakit ng mage ito, oh. Uy, gagi, namatay. Nadaglag ako doon.
Yes.
Nagkasanay ko ako. Uy, gago, wala kayong healer, ha?
Patay na kami. Pinupugutan na kami, isa-isa.
Oh, tara.
Ready. Puli nga. Papul.
Ayaw na pala.
Oh, shark, tuloy. Tambobo.
Saan ba yan?
Hindi ko alam. Na-reset yung ano niya, yung rotation niya. Ikaw nga ako.
Ayaw man yung top.
Dahil hindi naman pala yung Uy, gago.
Putang inang mage to. Walk south. Okay.
Tulog kami.
Ano na po po?
Hindi, pag gano'n, hindi siya nag-i-skill. Pag nag-i-skill, di mo mapul eh.
Uy, Sandra! Dito daw, puta.
Nagtatip ako eh. May kausap ako. Guards kasama ko dati. Nagbalik Albion.
Sino?
Kasi ito ano? Ito ba? Yung toilet. Alin? Toilet. Ito lang, di ba? Itong monk lang, pati spear.
May tower.
Ito.
Spear.
Okay, so basically, find the monk and the archer, okay? We try to take the archer.
Monk.
Yeah. Lapis.
Dodge, please.
Go first, boys.
Gago na ako na.
Heal.
Na-interrupt ako.
Sige. Okay na. What the fuck?
Na-down ako.
Reset. We clip nothing, okay? We clip nothing. Sheesh.
One more time, boy. Sorry, it's my fault. Masyado akong malapit sa mouse.
That's too far, boys.
To the mouse.
I-mark mo, Sandra.
Put up, guys. Wala na kayong yata put ako. Mag-put up na ako. Wala na ako. Puch, why are you bringing cabbage soup?
Guys, bilisan na natin. Ganda pa tayong loot. Baka
Okay,
mamatay.
ready? Okay, yeah. Rope now.
Statue, guys. Statue first. Statue.
Try to finish statue and archer. See? Archer is dying. Good shit. I see the damage. Okay, I see the damage. What the fuck? Deep card and in. Wallet. What the fuck? It's okay.
So, please. I have no heal.
Just patayin niya, please. Patayin niya. Statue.
I don't have heal.
Heal. Okay.
I don't have heal. Heal the statue.
Okay. You can kill the monk. You can kill the monk.
Okay, guys. We get? I think we get. Let's get it.
Yes, you can. What the fuck are you talking about?
I get.
Reset. Just reset. Just reset.
Ako din yung die ko ako.
Okay na.
Oh, wow.
Heal. Di ko naramdaman yung heal.
Pwede mag-try.
Ay na.
Ay, wait lang. Nagigigil ako sa'yo. Pagpapanahin ko?
Gusto ko mag-tank. Practice na.
Ano?
Ayaw lang magtangka, tas ikaw mag-heal, Sandra.
Next game. Ako yung palit tayong set. Ako mag-breathing.
Ikaw mag-heal. Hindi, ikaw mag-heal.
Ayoko. Tangina ka ba? Wala akong is. Ayoko mag-heal. Naglalagap eh.
Ulul. Para matrash talk din kita, kahit ka.
Kung tayo nag-heal na.
Dito rin yung mag-heal pag ako nag-heal eh. Pag binigay mo sa akin yan sa kamay ko, pag nakapita na kamay ko, hindi kayo mamamatay eh.
Ulul, lalo na kapag
Maliban
yung
kung
whole party
maglalagap ako.
na-damage. Kapag yung whole party na-damage, tapos
Mawawala ka, dali lang mag-heal dyan. Talagang sadya ka lang bobo mag-heal.
Kasi ikaw
You're just dumb bro.
Don't fail some players.
ikaw mag-heal.
Ikaw magtaka ako mag-heal daw. Ikaw magtaka ako mag-heal.
Yes. Baka marunong ako mag-tank, di ko baka ako dati gaga pa.
Shut the fuck up, then go tank bro. Go tank. What are you talking about? Then go tank. It's an easy solution to your problem bro. Druid Call on the DPS please.
Oh my god!
Oh,
Okay, there's
shit.
red.
I got that. I
Oh
died.
my god.
I died. Let's go.
What the fuck man?
Where are they coming from?
How did we even get tied? W. Goddamn, bro. Goddamn, bro.
Gago, may loot tayo.
Goddamn, bro. Damn, bro.
Be alright? You alright?
Yeah,
We died
that.
out?
What the fuck, man?
Patay mo lahat.
What is going?
Oh
Died
yeah, we
first time.
we
Man.
all died. Okay, trigger.
Gago, nag-arba ka lang tayo. Ako na mag-tank. Try ko mag-tank.
Sige, ikaw mag-heal, Sandra.
Sabi sa inyo, arbak na tayo eh. Sabi sa inyo, arbak na tayo. Sabi niyo, gold pa tayo. Okay, too greedy, okay? Or too greedy.
Ang bilis lang kayo dapat clear.
It's fine, guys. The fame is worth it.
Yeah.
The fame is worth it.
Isang ina, fame. Magkano na wala sa'yo? 3M, fame? Magkano fame mo? Wala pang ano, 12. Shit.
Naka 2 MP mo, tapos
I want to
Sa akin,
do Badoon, man. I did not understand anything about that weapon, man. Can I do Badoon?
It's okay. Oh, you know. We need DPS. If you can, just go weeping, I guess. Go weeping if you can.
Whipping
Light
like
caller, bro. Ganda light caller.
then I can do Mist Piercer. Like
Piercer.
Mist
Is
Piercer.
Piercer for... Is it good for clearing?
Miss Purser.
Ako pa rin ba mag-heal? O gusto niyo akong palitan?
Ako na try ko mag-tank.
Ako ba mag-heal? Sabihin niyo
Ikaw
lang kung
mag-heal
ayaw
para malaman ni Coco kung gaano ka kasama mag-heal. Tangina mo.
Bakit mo mahirap mag-heal? Kung totoo lang.
Mag-halopal ka kasi. Huwag ka na mag-pollen. Tagal nang inang pollen eh.
Yun is proper, ano yun, yung DPS natin.
Kaso kasi na ano tayo, na type ay natalunan tayo.
Parang,
Mag-move ako.
Tonight will be the night that I for
Tayo rin.
kainan na ko.
Don't need to greedy, no, you know. Sheesh.
Shish.
They came out of nowhere, man.
Nawala pa.
Guys, wait lang, may tumatawag lang sa akin. Bigyan niyo ako 5 minutes, okay? Give me 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes.
I have lots to turn.
Gag.
Kukupop, tank.
Stay
Report.
on.
Sir
Don't be shy.
Sir Kupagos. Ano yun? Tayo na ako niya, Sir Kupagos. Ay, gago. Nasal ko yung pork pie ko. Gago.
See you later. Buying or selling?
Na guys, wala na. Dimas na ba to?
Sinaglib.
Ano armor? Ano pa-keep nito, min? Kalimutan ko.
Ano? Ano? Tara, blue chest na lang tayo.
Satisfied?
Tangina. PvP. Blue chest PvP.
Parang natin yan, min eh.
Ay, hindi. Si Itachi pala naglib yung healer natin.
Hindi, babalik lang siya 5 minutes.
Cheater.
Mag-murlock keep na lang ako.
Ano yung video na, bro?
Wag na, Carlion keep ka or Apa keep.
What?
Carlion or Apa. PvP then semi-PvE.
I'm
Who can go carving?
re-geared.
Anong gusto mo ko?
I'm on
What
Miss
do you guys
Piercer.
wanna do? Pure PvE? Or semi-PvP?
I'll be waiting on the.
Okay, just go the simple, okay? No need for fallen shot, ano, coach. Fuck,
Not.
we got no.
I'm on Miss
Ano,
Pearson.
just pure PvE. Pure PvE.
PvP.
PvE.
PvE. Okay.
Yeah.
Kagi sayang yun, na-dive pa tayo.
Ang tagal mag-register ng death nyo. Gusto ko ma-check eh. Yan ba yun? Yung all the villains? Big Boom?
Oo, ako yun sa akin.
Tier 8? The fuck? Pero yung tank nila, tier 7 lang tank nila eh. Then may perma. Tier 8 pala sila lahat. Tier 8 pala sila lahat. Kaya pala ang sakit ko.
Ngayon, delete agad ako.
Tapos meron silang Miss Pearson. Sheesh.
Tagal kasi na natin nag-clear doon.
Oo, tagal natin. Na-down pa tayo. Pero good experience na sa kanila.
Let's go. Ready to. Let's go. Si, need natin ng blazing perma light color. Wala bang magla-light color dyan?
Hindi na kailangan ng light color, man. Tagal ang CD.
Sige.
Pwede na yan.
Five minutes na siya eh. Wala na sa GS.
Ha? Ano?
Let's go. Sino walang pang-rigger dyan?
Ako wala, bibigyan ko dito.
Tara, let's go boys.
Hindi pa napapalit ha. Hindi pa napapalit ng gear ko.
Invite me. Invite me.
Tigba doon na lang yan?
Do I use it? Do I use it?
Siyempre.
What should I use? Hello?
Go blazing. Get blazing.
Cleaning.
Go heal.
Ang gulo ah. Classic. Oh my god, I lost 1 million.
Mag-late color ako.
I'll be doing Miss Pearson, okay?
Okay, it's okay. Go Miss Pearson if you want to.
Gagi, light color. Matagal na tayo yan eh.
You know what? I'm gonna get me a royal jacket. Wait a minute.
Oh, then I'll go Iron Root, okay? I'll go Iron Root ako.
Iron Root. Nice, boys. It's proper nice perma.
Esan is such a W, bro. W Esan. Or like...
Bullshit, you're a bullshit, bro.
Go for Torres.
You can't heal for shit, bro. You can't heal for shit. Okay, you hear me? You can't
Multiple
heal.
goals.
Sakyo.
I'm a good healer, bro. What do you mean?
Training card. Q2? Q2? Regular? Q2. Then
Got
Q4.
everything?
W4.
I'm almost finished, guys. Wait for me. Where's my... I'm going to bring calming. Guys, bring calming, okay? Bring calming, please. Magka-crap ako ng calming.
Data na, Kylie. Sana.
Bibili ka lang ako ng materials.
Nananaginip ka naman ng tulog.
Ang dami ko ano.
Hey, thank you, Silver, bro.
Let's go. It's like printing money.
Ako, nang
It's okay. At least we only lose money, not fame, yeah? We win fame.
I'm on Miss Piercer with Royal Jacket, man. Let me check this. Let me blast some Miss Piercer. Shit.
You want Miss Piercer build? Miss Piercer build?
Special bit. It's
Okay, let's go.
Sandra.
Oh.
Ano na?
Let's go.
Pwede mo tayong mamatay ulit.
Let's go.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Saan ka, Sandra?
Sa market kabila. Okay, let's go. I have Poland. Oh, fuck you guys.
Ay, gogi.
Yes, one. We have one druid call, okay? We have one druid call, okay?
Ours. Okay, let's go. Clear blue.
If there's a boss, Sandra, you can go heal the tank. I'm going to be the party heal, okay?
Bobo. Halatang hindi mo alam mag-heal ng tank. Bobo.
Sige, hindi ako yung hindi ako yung
Bobo. Bobo.
I-ahati daw.
Okay, guys.
Bobo, pinapasa yung pag-heal sa akin. Halatang bobo mag-heal.
At dapat, hindi ko mag-heal sa party. Sige, ikaw mag-heal sa party. Para malaman mo kung
Papakitaan kita paano mag-heal, ha? Ang ina ka.
Ayoko pinun.
akala mo ganun na kadali mag-heal.
Kaya naman talaga kadali mag-heal eh. Tagal-tagal ko na naging healer.
Tinigas na ako.
Gusto niya i-clear to.
Oo, tara, clear na natin.
Let's follow.
Ang layo ko pa.
Sino naman i-clear natin?
Go southeast. Okay.
Oh. Anong build natin?
One
Cubes. One Perma.
Here is
One Miss Piercer.
Wala tayo pero kami Twitter.
One Shadow Caller. One Cheater. Okay, one Cheater.
Fuck you.
Drop your e-boys.
This guy brought crap of net only one down.
Okay, I'm dead.
See, healer's bad, bro. Healer's bad. Holy fuck.
What do you mean you're dead? Not on my watch.
Pwede mo na sa wait lang, mag-check sa para mabilis ako. Ready your e-boys.
Hey, there's someone.
Try.
Patay ka muna.
Steady.
Wala, uy, kubak, guys. Mount up. Mount up, boys. Mount up. Yes, mount up.
He's dead. Pagro, mobs. Pagro.
Dito
Calming
mo.
pad. Tangina agro.
Physical.
He's dead.
I think we should.
Come here, boys. Come here, boys.
I think we should get out of this place. This is a.
I have
Hideout.
gaming table. 3.
Nalot na yan. Nalot ka talaga ako.
Go northeast. Ano yun? Anong content?
Eternal. Wait lang. Hanapin ko. Wala dito. Wala dyan. Walang kill. Si nakapugod, si ano? Si Lazy.
Guys, what do you want?
Uy, clear?
Clearing?
Clear or no? Answer, clear or no? Answer.
Clear or no? Clear or no?
Clear, bro. That's clear.
Okay, majority.
Wins. Let's go.
Guys, come hit. Drop your rope, guys. Drop your rope.
CD rope.
Cheater. I smell cheater.
Drop na lang, boys.
See? W iron root. See the iron root, bro.
Guys, come guys.
See?
Ready, Ray?
Great. Okay.
Walang class na ako.
Mabubuhatin kayo ng iron root. Malakas yung DPS kita.
Pagpalit ng ng 60. Tayo.
Ingay mo. What the fuck?
Wait, guys. Wait. Drop.
I think let's...
It's okay, just go. There's red. Yes, sir. Red. West. Southwest. There's red. Ilan? Isa lang nakita ko.
Check your guys.
Very nice out. Okay, heal. We actually need the proper heal, ha? We need proper heal, ha? Don't be a cheater. See that? You're beaming me instead of the tank. You're beaming me instead of the tank, okay?
I have my graveyard.
Graveyard. There's people, we have no heal, okay?
Mag-change na lang ako ng box.
Focus, bro. Focus.
Drop your rope, guys. Drop your rope.
CD rope, 5 seconds.
Wait lang, scout muna ako. Kaya mo na ito. Scout muna ako.
Wait. Okay, guys. Ay, gogi. Ay, no.
Wala, nagsunod sila sa tier 8 zone. Nagsunod sila dito. Ay, gago, naka-Arlon T pala ako. Opo.
Report natin, guys.
Laki pa ako. Kaya palang mahal ng game ko kasi may card ko. Putang ilan yan.
Drop your rope. Pwede guys.
Kaya pala napaka ano. Ay, nako.
My rope, come here, guys.
This. Drop your... Okay, wala pa pala.
Putang ina mo. Nadilit siya. Hindi na ako nakapag-react.
Mamo, di ba pre-healer problem. Di ka hinil, di ka nag-GGL. Holy shit. What the troller?
My bad.
Di nag-GGL.
Come. Follow me, guys. Follow me. This tree. Drop your
magdali pala ng Iron Girl.
Wait, ito. Yan, W guys. Yan, W.
Dito wala pa akong Demon Chieftain ha.
Royal, please. Royal jacket. Royal jacket. CD, 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Wait, drop UG bug. Nice. Oh my god.
Sige, basta.
Clutch that. Make sure.
There's a heal. Where's the heal? Okay. Yeah, you can move. Try to mount up. You can mount up. Try to mount up. Yeah. W spearman bro. W spearman.
Okay, come. This guy's drop group. Fury.
Ang kayo pala ng midfielder. Babayin ko na lang to. Oo, pala ba, tama na yun. Boss, babayin ko na lang yan.
Okay, Q and W. Sige, okay. Promise. Dropping in, 3.
Druid call? Anyone? Druid call please? Druid call, anyone? Paglit na lang natin. Tama, napatay naman tayo eh. Paglit
Let's get
na lang.
out of here, man.
Check mo natin yung isa. Check mo natin yung
This
isa.
place is suspicious.
Go northeast, go northeast.
Kaya nyo dito, tier 8 men?
Hindi kaya natin ito rin, bro.
Hindi, kaya yan. Di mo tayo mag-gold eh.
Blue lang. Ay, wala akong language.
Ano, green, tapos blue.
Mamaya na. Wala. Go northeast.
We don't take this one.
Check nga ba natin yan? Wala na ata yan. Check
Natin, mali mo, legendary.
No, sige. Go. Check namin dito.
Sige, check mo na yan.
Regard. Reganard. Lazy kayo guys, check it.
Ako sila mo.
Wala nakinig, tara na. Palit na tayo.
You guys pussy ha, you guys pussy.
Go. Terror zone.
Tara, tiri tayo. May nagdadalang core, may nagdadalang core.
Oh, there's a guy.
Dito ata, punta dito. Punta dito. Punta dito.
Dami tao. Zone na.
Tapa natin.
Should we kill the guy?
Palming pass, paliban sa akin. Ano na ba kayo sa ano na English part?
Tara, sunayin kayo guys. Oh my god, terror. Go southwest kami southwest. Check natin dito kung mayroon man. Wait, check ko lang. Guys, southeast, come southeast, star 6 so.
I'm still looking. Sing. Southeast. Southeast. Southwest. Oh my god. Ang pangit ang zone. Red. Shit, go back please. Pangit. Go south. Pangit ang zone dito. Red siya na. No connect.
Going back?
Go back. Let's go southeast.
Okay.
Ang pangit naman.
Uy, meron palang binibigay si Alvin, no? Happy holidays.
Saan?
Fireworks, 5. 15 fireworks, 50 snowball.
Saan yan?
Sa mail.
Wala man ako magago.
Sa mail? Hindi mahal ni Albi, oh.
Sabi yan, delete ako eh. Hindi ko na binasa, dinilit ko na agad. Kaya pala. Wala ng goal. Gusto nyo tracking na lang? Pwede. Pera din yun, no? Tracking habang nagkaganto? Oo. Para gawin turbo.
Super idol, di siya.
Pangit naman ang wala bang connection?
Rest. Pag wala to, arbak na.
Let's go, Arbak. Pre-jump. May 300 na tayo. Arbak. Check blue. Check. Arbak. Rest or rejump? What do you want? Dala kayo tracking tool tapos rejump tayo. No, sige tara, rejump.
Pwede ba ako mag-leech sa fame? Can I leech? Napakatan siya. Hindi makulit. Ay, purple, marakas. Fast clear. Welcome.
Oh.
Don't reset the spot, bro. Why I grow so much, bro? Just roll. Get up. Get the aggro. You're dumb. You're overheating shot the aggro. Tinamad magtakang gago. Tinamad magtakang gago.
Come. Enemy guys, enemy. Ina na. Dito ako.
Huling taknik ako.
Ito na yung last roll. Gawin, naglalag ako. Darwin. Mag-email na lang. Nag-email na lang.
Mana? Druid call?
Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang to. Okay guys, ready to drop your rope in 3, 2, 1, this 2, each. Oh my god, naglalag. Drop yun. Dami naman nagtutulungan lang.
Magkakata nila.
Let's go. CD rope.
Drop your mage first, boys. Ilagay sa loot hole. Ang ano? Naglalag na si Coco, boys. Wait lang, mag-beat. Wait, boys. Wait. Let's go. Oh my god. Ay, tangin na, naglalag ako. Ay, gagi ka, ano to? Naglalag si Coco.
Kaya siya na bahala.
Start na.
Ano na sa akin?
Ako na bahala, men.
Ito na lang mage na isa. Itong mage na lang na to.
Oo,
Ito na lang.
Patay ang healer. Ang bobo ng healer, ah. Legendary.
Nice one. Armak.
tayo yung loot split. Hindi yan. Loot split party lot.
Oo, party loot na lang.
Kung nabuo. Yun, ikaw yung pinaka-surety kung nabuo. Kanina.
Hindi ko masasabing ako na yun, pero parang ako yun. Mabilis ako mag-loot eh.
Jeez, loot split.
Hindi yan, party loot, men. Party loot.
Sino namatay doon? Buhay ka ba, Sandra?
Ano?
Buhay ka?
Saan?
Lahat tayo na.
Patay kayo? Lahat?
Saan?
Oo. Kanina.
Kami yung lazy buhay. Sigma kasi kami.
Oo,
Me and lazy are alive because we're Sigma.
Because you're gay.
Aram boys, go. Wala mag-tank kayo.
Diba ba kayo? Kakain muna ako. Let's eat first.
Let's play again later, I think.
Mas again, okay?
Let's play later. I think we should hire one more people. So, nice game, guys. I'm going to poo.
Naglalag ako, men. Hindi na ba nalogi doon? Mag-join na lang ako sa kanila, ba? May Elysium dito ako nag-gold na piping.
Okay guys, Dimas, let's go eat. Dimas, we're gonna eat. Then, yeah, continue. I don't know if you guys still wanna jump, but yeah, we will continue. GG's.
We're doing another run? Or we're not doing it and no more run.
Gonna finish? Ako gonna finish? Finish boys, finish, nice game. Okay.
Where you headed? Apport!
Oh, still on that.